Hello viewers, welcome to Senior College Mathematics. In this series of teachings, the topic of discussion is conic section. Lesson 1, the circle. Introduction. A conic section is formed when a right circular cone with two parts called napes is intersected by a plane. The parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse are cases of curves called conic sections or simply conics. The name is derived from the fact that they may be obtained as sections made by a plane with double right circular cone. This is the reason behind the name double right circular cone. The circle. A circle is the locus of points equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point is the center of the circle. A circle is completely specified if we know the center and the radius. Equation of a circle: center A, B, radius arrow. You have figure 1, you have a circle. This is the center produced to a point P with the coordinate S, Y. You have the S axis, the Y axis. From the origin to this point is A. So this remaining point becomes S minus A. You have the Y axis. From the origin to this point is B. The remaining part is Y minus B. Figure 1 shows a circle, center A, B, radius arrow. Consider triangle CPN. CPN. It is a right-angled triangle. CN is equal to S minus A. NP is equal to Y minus B. CP is equal to arrow. Since triangle CPN is a right-angled triangle by Pythagoras rule, the hypotenuse CP square on it is equal to sum of squares on the other sides. CP is arrow, CP square becomes arrow square, CN square, that is S minus A in bracket square, NP square is Y minus B in bracket square. Hence, you have this equation as equation 1. Equation 1 is called the equation of a circle, center A, B, and the radius is arrow. S and Y, they are points on any part of the circumference. If the center of the circle is the origin, that is 0, 0, equation 1 reduces to this form. In equation 1, this term is s minus a in bracket square. If a is equal to 0, you simply have s square plus y square equal to r square as equation 2. Alternatively, we can consider triangle OPM. It is a right-angled triangle. The hypotenuse is OP, so the square on OP is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. That is, you have s square plus y square equal to r square. O to n is s, so o n square means s square plus the other term y square equal to r square. The square on the hypotenuse. Examples. Number 1, find the equation of the circle, center 0, 0, radius root 5. Solution. The required equation can be obtained using this form. The radius is equal to root 5. You simply have s square plus y square equal to root 5 square, and root 5 square is equal to 5. So the required equation is equal to s square plus y square equal to 5. Number 2, find the equation of the circle with center -1, -4, radius 3. Solution. The required equation can be obtained using equation 1 stated earlier. From the given center, it implies a equal to -1, b equal to -4. You come back here, you replace a, b, and arrow with what they stand for. You open the inner bracket, you have this result. This term simply means s plus 1 times s plus 1. The same thing happens to this term expressed in this form equal to 9. When you expand correctly, you have this result. We take s square plus y square follows by 2s plus 8y. Then the sum of the constants. In order to have 0 here, you transfer plus 9 in. It becomes -9. When you simplify, you have this as the equation of the circle whose center is -1, -4, and radius is 3. Example 3. The end points of a diameter of a circle have the coordinates 2, 4 and 5, -6. Find the equation of the corresponding circle. To do that, we need the radius and the center of the circle. The given information, you have them in the diagram. The end points of the diameter, Now, this is the midpoint. The center of the circle is the midpoint of AB, the end points of the diameter. Midpoint of AB is equal to, you take this first point here. In ordered pair, you have S1, Y1. You have S2, Y2. For midpoint, you have S1 plus S2 divided by 2. Then Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. From here, you have 7 over 2. 4 plus minus 6 is minus 2. Divided by 2, you have minus 1. Hence, the equation of the circle center this, passing through the given coordinate, is given below. You have the equation of the circle. The radius is needed. Now that the center is known, we need the radius. So we are using the first coordinate 2, 4 as SY to find radius. You come here, you replace the center first. A 7 over 2, B is minus 1. If you put that minus 1 here, it becomes plus 1. From here, we replace S with 2. You replace Y with 4. In the first coordinates, you have this result. When you simplify, you have it in this form and this form. When you add, you have 109 over 4. Thus, the equation of the circle is, you come back here again. Precisely, let's take it from here, since A and B are already replaced. You replace the radius with 109 over 4. What you have here now is arrow square. You simply replace it, you have it in this form. You simplify the powers. Next thing to do is to expand. When you expand correctly, you have this result. We take S square plus Y square minus 7S plus 2Y. Then sum of the constants, we transfer this term inside, it becomes negative. When you simplify these three terms, you have minus 7 over 4. So you have the complete equation of the circle. End of lesson 1. There is every need for you to be saved if you are not, because the Lord Jesus Christ is coming very soon. Some will be taken and some will be left. Live righteously and be prepared. Goodbye.